Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Honda CRV to your garage door. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely outside the garage. You will need your garage door opener remote control. We will begin by clearing any previous programming from your home link system. This ensures a fresh start for a smooth setup process. Then, we will prepare to link your remote to your CRV's buttons. To clear the system, press and hold the two outer home link buttons simultaneously for about 20 seconds. The indicator light will first flash slowly, then rapidly, and finally turn solid, indicating the system is cleared. Next, take your garage door opener remote. Hold it 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. This close proximity is crucial for successful signal transmission. Now, simultaneously press and hold both the desired home link button in your CRV and the transmit button on your garage door remote. The home link indicator light will flash slowly at first, then rapidly, and finally turn solid when programming is complete. Release both buttons. Next, quickly press and release the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit, usually found on the ceiling. After pressing the Learn button, you have about 30 seconds to return to your CRV. Once inside, firmly press and hold the home link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this press and hold sequence up to 3 times. Your garage door should now respond, opening or closing. If it doesn't, try repeating the entire process. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.